Hello, children. How are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. Children, as you can see, today is our English handwriting online period. So, we are going to do something creative today. Okay? So, children, take out your joining handbook and we will do some handwriting work in this book. But children, before starting with this handwriting work, I would like to give you some recap of the formation which you write okay, like A to Z formation. You should know how to write exactly, and then only we will continue with our joining hand book. Okay, so listen to my video and see my video very carefully, children, and follow the pattern very carefully. Okay, as you all know, we follow the Richardson pattern, so it is very easy. So you have to understand from my video. Okay, just go through the video twice, thrice, how many times you want to see. You can see my video and you can understand the way I am writing, the pattern I am using to write the letters. Okay, you all know that there are 26 letters in English alphabet, and all those alphabets are written in two ways: the capital way, in the capital way, and in the small way. Okay, so A to Z are in capital letters and in small letters also. So first of all, I will teach you the formation of small letters and capital letters from A to Z. Okay, so look at my video very carefully. Okay, now children, as you can see that we write in a 4-line copy. Okay, we always use a 4-line copy. So in this copy you will come to know that how you have to exactly write the letters, small letters as well as capital letters, how you should write. You will come to know from this video. Okay, so today we are going to follow the pattern. We are going to understand the pattern which we use to write A to Z in capital form and A to Z in small form. Okay, small letter. So always remember, children, that Z is also known as Z. Okay, so capital A to Z and small a to Z we will write. Okay, I will explain you, then you will understand from this video. Okay, so I am starting with the formation. Look at it very carefully. Okay, first letter is A. So first we will write with capital letter and then I will write it in small letter. So first of all, as you can see, this is A in capital letter. We will use these 3 lines only from the top. Okay, and we will write A like this. Then small a will be written as curve, up, down, cut. Okay, a tail. This tail is like this. Okay, so this is A in capital letter and A in small letter. Now we will write B. B in small letter, capital letter and small letter. Then C in capital letter and C in small letter. Okay. Capital letter will be C in capital will be written like this. We will touch the red line. We will start from the first red line and we will end it in the third blue line. And when we are writing C in small letter, we will write within the two lines, between the two lines only. Okay. Now coming to D. Capital, small. Okay. Now comes E. Capital, E, small. F capital, F small. G capital, G small. H capital, H small. I capital, I small. J capital, J small. K capital, K small. Okay. L like this and small l like this. M, we will start from this line like this and like this. This is M. Capital M and small m. N. Okay. O, and in small o there is a tail like this. Okay. Capital P, small p. Capital Q, small q. Capital R, small r will be written in this way. First you will write a line like this down, then a line to this and like this. Okay. Capital S is written like this and small s is written like this and like this. Okay. Then comes T, then capital U, small u, capital V, small v, capital W, small w, capital X, small x, capital Y, small y, capital Z, small z. Is that clear, children? So this is the correct formation of writing A to Z in capital letters and A to Z in small letters. Okay. Now I am giving you some words. Okay. I am giving you some example that how we join the words and write. Okay. So T plus O will form 2. The letter T and O together will form a word 2. Okay, so this will be written like this. T O 2. Okay. And now if we are writing A plus R plus E, so the word will become R. A-R-E, R. So how you will write? A R E R. This is the correct formation. Is that clear, children? Now if you want to write a 3-letter one more word or a 4-letter word, if you are writing 3, T plus H R E E. So what will be the exact formation of writing all these 4 letters? T H R E E 3. So this will be your correct formation. Okay. I hope you all have understood this. Is that clear? Okay, very good, children. So follow the same pattern, and with this pattern if you will write neatly and nicely like I have written, so you will definitely have a very good handwriting also. Okay. So now children, so take out your joining handbook, children. Okay, and turn to page number 3, the first page. Okay, I will tell you how to write this in this book. Okay, now first sentence is given in this book is, it is a red bud. Okay, so there are 1, 2, 3 and 4 lines given, and you have to write it in the same manner. Okay, so how you will write, children? Look at very carefully. Look at it very carefully. First line I have written. Now I am writing in front of you. So please look how I am writing. Okay. Is that clear, children? Now see. I T it. I S is. A red B-U-D but. Okay, so this is the way how you will write the sentence. Okay, again I am telling you how you will write. I T it is a red bud but. Is that clear, children? So you will write it in this way. Okay, you will complete all the 4 columns in the same manner as I am writing. Okay, it is a red bud. Okay, so first sentence we have completed, and see how neatly I have written. In the same way you will also write in the lines, and just make sure children that you will write according to the same manner which is given in the top of the line. Okay, जो सबसे पहले ऊपर वाली ब्लू लाइन लिखी गई है ब्लू कलर से, आपको बिल्कुल वैसे फॉलो करके उसी के नीचे आपको सारे लेटर्स वर्ड्स लिखने हैं. इट के नीचे यू कैन सी आई हैव ऑल्सो रिटन इन द सेम लाइन. कहीं भी टेढ़ा नहीं जा रहा है मैम का. ओके, आई हैव रिटन इट इन अ वेरी नीट वे. इज अ रेड बड. ओके, very neatly and very nicely I have written. Now coming to the next sentence. Okay, we go to school by bus. So first line I have written we go to school by bus. Okay, now I will show you that how you will write. W will touch the red line upwards. Okay, E, V, G, O, go, T, O, to, S, C, H, O, O, L, school, by, B, U, S, bus. Is that clear children? Again I am writing. Please look at it very carefully. W, E, V, G, O, go, T, O, to, S, C, H, O, O, L, school, B, Y, by, B, U, S, bus. Okay, now the last line. Again we will write in the same way. We go to school by bus. Is that clear children? This is the proper way of writing, and this writing will improve your handwriting also. Every day you will write 2 pages. Okay, whenever I will give, you will write 2 pages, so you will know how to write it neatly and nicely. Okay, now page number 3 we have completed. Now we will do page number 4. Okay, so the first sentence is the fox found the grapes. Okay, now on this page number 4 I will only write 1 or 2 lines, and other lines you will write on your own. Okay, so first word is T, H, E, the, F, O, X, fox, F, O, U, N, D, found, T, H, E, the, G, R, A, P, E, S. Is that clear children? The fox found the grapes. Again I am writing. Look at it. T, H, E, the, fox. Fox का F will start from the first red line and it will go till the last red line. ऊपर की first red line से छूके और हम सीधा लास्ट की रेड लाइन तक आएंगे. ओके, द फॉक्स FOUND found, THE the, GRAPES grapes. Okay, this is the way you will write in your joining hand book. Okay, now the last sentence for today is the crow found the pot. Okay, so I am writing it THE the, CROW crow, FOUND found, THE the, POT pot. Okay, I have written only the first line in this. The crow found the pot. Now you will all write this. Okay, you will write these words in these lines. Okay, and you will complete the 2 pages. You will complete 2 pages, that is page number 3 and page number 4. Is that clear, children? So this will improve your handwriting. Okay, children. Now I hope you all have understood this. It is very easy, very interesting also. Whenever you feel bored, please complete these 2 pages and very neatly complete it. Okay, children. Now till my next video, complete these 2 pages. Okay, bye bye, children. Take care. Stay at home, stay safe.